What's up, y'all? What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? This is the day 2 of the trading journey. I just got off stream. My bad, my bad. Day 2 of trading journey. Let me see if everything's good. Hello, can y'all hear me? I wanna know if I could check. I wouldn't be able to check. All right. So this is the day 2 of trading. I took a trade today. This is this. These two, I did not mean to trade gold. You know, it went bad, and I, guessed it kind of wrong a little bit. But yeah, I did guess the daily bias wrong because it's on an uptrend. So, but I did break out even put a little bit of profit in. So that's good, I guess. I need to jot down my trades. But day one, we were talking about the candles and the wicks and stuff, and now we're gonna talk about daily bias, just reading the market. First, y'all need to read the market. We're gonna have first actually a motivation thing. We're gonna have motivation. All right, so like, all right, I need to get to my like real authentic self. So really, like trading, you're gonna have to like want to do it. I know that sounds kind of like everybody says, but you're really gonna have to want to do it. There's been many days that I didn't want to wake up and do this, but it's more than motivation, because you're gonna lose this daily first motivation that you're gonna get. But like, it has yet to change my life, so I can't really like get super emotional about it, but I can feel it. And like every time I picture my future, I think of trading in that way. So it's gonna be a hard grind. You're gonna have to want to do it. Like with everything in life, is gonna be hard. It's gonna be, you're gonna not want to do it. But your want has to be more than whatever the hell you feeling right now. Like, and you're gonna lose a lot. You're gonna lose really a lot. And these markets are not made for you. They're made for you to lose. You're really taking educated guesses on every single one of them. Like today, I didn't take a good guess on gold, and I wasn't even supposed to be trading gold. You're gonna have to be locked in every time you wake up, take a trade. Today, I didn't even wake up at 8 a.m. I didn't stream at 8 a.m. today. I had to make up for the stream, and then I'm going to stream again at night. So I'm going to be in this chair for a long ass fucking time. But y'all have to, like, if you want to become a day trader, bro, you're going to have to learn to take losses. This shit is going to strip you away from everything. Every bad thing you do, this shit is going to strip you away, bro. Everybody's gonna be saying, "Oh, it's a gambling thing. It's a is you're gonna have to learn yourself and put this in your heart. A couple years from now, y'all gonna be seeing me, you know, riding in whatever car I want, whatever, doing whatever the hell I want, and y'all gonna come back to this video where I'm at right now. I have barely any fucking money in my account, near to zero fucking dollars. Y'all gonna come back to this video and understand what the fuck I said. I'm sitting in my mom's house right now on my sister's computer with my MacBook right here. I bought when I had a little money from a cooking job, from a 9 to 5 I didn't even like. I dreaded going there every fucking day. Cooking. I was hoping so bad to just go to college and it was gonna be better. But bro, I'm broke. I have an iPad from my school. That's my setup right now. It's better than a lot of people's setup. I understand, but shit, I have to work with what I work with. You have this shit. You're gonna have to want this shit more. My bad. You're gonna have to want this shit more than everybody else, because every time you decide not to do something, somebody else is going up there and grinding that shit. And vice versa, man. Like y'all just gonna have to get up and get it. I'm just gonna have to get up and get it. We're just gonna have to get up and get it. My main goal of this whole day trading journey shit was to get it with you. Everybody else that y'all seen the day trading shit, they already have that shit. TJR has that shit. Trades by Side have that shit. These niggas, all these other niggas selling the courses have that shit. Niggas getting out courses for free have that shit. I think I'm the only nigga, and this is why I wanted to put my twist in. I think I'm the only nigga who is starting this shit with y'all. I didn't start this shit with y'all. I learned first from TJR, but I'm going into the market with y'all. I'm taking paper trades. I have yet to take a real money trade, except for these little penny trades on Webull, and I lost like a lot of that. You're gonna feel unmotivated. You're gonna not want to do this shit. Every time that market drop, you're gonna feel anxious. You can't trade with emotion. With that being said, let's get into the first thing, bro. Let's get into the first thing. Everybody, hold on. Another thing. Everybody hitting me up about it. Yeah, it sounds cool. It sounds good now I'm working a 9 to 5, bro. But if you're gonna hit me up about something that I'm very passionate about, you're gonna have to have the same one or even more one as me. Cause y'all are saying, teach me, teach me, teach me. I'm saying, yeah, dropping you this, dropping you that, dropping you my links. And y'all are not even doing nothing with it. Everybody who's joining the Discord, y'all have not yet to say anything to me, ask me any questions about day trading. How do you do this? How do you do that? But this is supposed to be us learning together, not just me learning by myself. That's why I dropped these. Well, now with that being said, let's get into the first thing about this. Let's read the market. 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 I already have y'all homework ready for today. Read the market. Go into the market, because like I said yesterday, the main thing you're gonna be in is in these fucking markets for hours, sitting and watching these slow ass markets move, even when they drop, for hours. So let's read the market. Boom. I know y'all don't know what fair value gaps is or order blocks is, but you can just see where the market is going though, like where the trend is going, where the trend line is going. You see, boom, low, high, low, high, low, high, and you see this right here. When it go low, high, high, then it broke structure right here. Then low, high, low, higher, high, low, low, higher, high. So boom, that's already two trends off that. This is a downtrend and it stops right here where it breaks structure. Off New York entry, off New York open. New York open always has the biggest volatility. And we'll talk about sessions on a later time. New York open always has the biggest volatility. But yeah, reading trends. So that's a downtrend. Downtrends go like low, low, high, high, low, low, high, high, low, low. Hold on, let me delete some of this shit. As you can see, downtrends go like this: low, high, low, low. So it goes high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, until it lower high until it breaks off like this. Fuck, I fucked that up. Till it breaks off like this. Till it goes lower high, lower low, and then higher high like this. Or it will break off above right here. So if it stops, if the candle closes above this, then that's a break of structure. What about the uptrend, Will? Okay, I'll show you. And if y'all really want to learn, y'all will be watching these YouTube videos and not just asking me questions. Because I have my YouTube. I didn't post my YouTube on my TikTok. No, I didn't. I don't think I did that. But I have it on my Twitch. I don't have it on my TikTok. I do need to post it out more. But y'all when y'all do get these, when I'm gonna post these, y'all need to be watching it on my TikTok. Whoever asks me about trading though, I do have it on my Discord, and I do give it out on my Discord. So there's no excuse for Discord people. There's no excuse for Twitch people. And people on Instagram who ask me, I give y'all my YouTube. All right, what about uptrends, Will? Basically same thing, vice versa. Boom, 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 boom. And when it closes below here, that means it's a break of structure. When it closes, not when it wicks. When it closes, when this right here, not when this right here. When it closes, wicks can be very decisive because look, perfect example right here. This long ass wick is right below here. Y'all would have thought this market is gonna fucking plummet. Y'all would have thought this market is gonna fucking plummet. That's what I thought. Because this little downtrend, but I didn't see this little break of structure right here. So, you know, I'm new to the markets too. But y'all would have thought this shit was gonna fucking plummet, which it did, but then it went all the way back up. Because what? Where is it? Where the fuck is it? Because this big ass imbalance right here. This big ass imbalance right here is just filling gaps. That's all it's doing, filling gaps. So it's gonna close below. Close below. An uptrend. Write this down in y'all notebooks. Write this down. Told y'all to get notebooks. High, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That's an uptrend. Uptrend 101. Jesus. All right, uptrend 101. Damn it. That's the trends. So make sure y'all write that. And tomorrow we'll be going over fair value gaps. I don't know if I want to split that into videos because fair value gaps can be, I don't think, for me, they're not really decipherable, but you know, you can maybe see like what you think is a fair value gap and it is not a fair value gap, or like a fair value gap that already got filled and you're acting based off of it and it already got filled. It has nothing to do with what's the market's what is happening to the market right now. But all right, that's my daily video for today. I hope y'all enjoy it, and I hope y'all heads are getting put on straight, because this is not a thing to be playing around with. You have to really focus and really lock in to, you know, do something with your life with this. But yeah, thank y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.